Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going for Pioneer Frenzy. So stay tuned. I will be testing 3 Pioneer decks. The one I just recently restored, it's T838, which is known in the rest of the world as a Pioneer CT93. The one we previously seen in my video, CT91A. And the one which I restored but didn't demonstrate yet is T555WR. All decks are in a really good shape. Top deck and bottom deck has original capacitors, and CT91 has replaced capacitors but with the same values, same series. It was Nichicon Muse. So stay tuned, listen, let me know your thoughts, what you like, what you don't like, and we will be starting from listening the tape recorded on Nakamichi ZX9, and after that I will switch to recording, and let's see what you would like. So, right now, let me start. I will start from the bottom deck. So that's the recently restored deck, and then I will be moving this tape up. Enjoy.
Precious love means more to me than any love could ever be. For when I wanted you, I was so lonely and so blue. Well, that's what love will do. And darling, I'm so surprised. Oh, when I realized that you were fooling me. And darling, they say that our love won't grow, but I just want to tell them that they don't know. For as long as you're in love with me, our love will grow wider, deeper than any sea. in this whole wide world is just for you to say, you be my
Okay, moving up.
girl, darling, wanting you, well, that's what love will do.
Looking at this bridge made of stone, why'd you have to go and take so long, babe? 'Cause now I'm blurred in my vision, and I'm blind to the times. I can't see you seeing mine. I kept winning and losing, playing all by myself, trying not to lean on anybody else. I was looking for you from a window pane, baby, wishing we could make our way back home again, babe. When you play what you know, from a dream to a ball, in a room to the road, you forget who you are, babe, and what you care about and really need the most. Tell me you've been blind-hearted, ain't up for sale. You've been blind-hearted, ain't up.
Okay, moving up. Sorry, it was such a pleasant music that I delayed a little bit too long. But let's see.
Sale, you've been blind-hearted and ain't up for sale, yeah, babe. Say you ain't out misbehaving, baby. Say you're hanging in the shade, baby. Oh, you're keeping it safe and warm. Tell me, oh, to help me with this heavy load. To help me with this heavy load, baby. To help me with this heavy load. I've been waiting here by the railroad tracks, baby, wondering if you ever really coming back.
Okay, now let's test the other well.
There ain't no way to write it and nowhere to call, no. Nobody pick me up when I'm falling. I'm stronger now, baby, but did you miss me at all? Oh, baby, tell me you've been blind-hearted, ain't up for sale. You've been blind-hearted and ain't up for sale. You've been blind-hearted and ain't up for sale, yeah. Ooh, I'm taking in the backseat, baby, checking out the scenery, baby, holding on the memory of memory, yeah. help me with this heavy load. I help you with your heavy load. You help me with this heavy load. Come on, baby. Need to know you're waiting, baby. You've been blind-hearted and up for sale.
Okay, it's a long song. Let's find something else. Okay, going back. So as you may see, this deck sounds a little bit on the high end, like I mean highs are elevated, because it has flex system, which expands high frequencies from any tape, and that's why it had just single playback amplifier for both decks. Okay, listen yourself.
If you love me, let me know. Tell my heart which way to go. Coming close, but coming slowly now. If you love.
Okay, now this guy, you will hear more bass right away.
Love me, let me know. Other hearts may fly away, but my hope is that you'll stay. We're two weary hearts aglow now. If you love me, let me know. Once the moon should take a bow, maybe you'll find the words to say. Still, I've often thought that words.
Okay, and the last one.
Would only get into your way. So if you love me, let me know. Tell my heart which way to go. coming close, but coming slowly now. If you love me, let me know.
All right, I hope you enjoyed. All right, so I believe that lower deck has a little bit better mid-range in like 400 Hz to 3 kHz than CT91. So, and this has a little dip, like 1.5 decibel in this range. That's why they sound a little bit different, but they're pretty close, right? And this one definitely elevates high frequencies. This flex system, that's how it works. When CPU detects music and detects that there is like high frequencies, it's immediately like elevates them to the maximum level, and like there is nothing you can do, so it's not adjustable. All right, so now let's install the tapes. I'm already pre-tuned calibration for these two decks, but I will show you on this one. This I use the external generator to set up levels. And here we will just use flex system. It works like that. Done, calibrated. So let me reset all counters. Let me show you here. So turn on calibration mode, and it's right there. See, probably a little bit level. Right, like that. Ah, done. Alright, so we're ready for recording. I set the same levels. I will be switching here. I will be showing you which deck is playing, and when I will switch on digital, it will be like that. I will show you that it's computer playing, right? So get ready. Let me find a good music for that. I believe I have something. All right. So we're recording and top deck is playing.
precious love means more to me than any love could ever be. For when I wanted you, I was so lonely and so blue. Well, that's what love will do. And darling, I'm so surprised. Oh, when I realized that you were fooling me. And
Okay, and now we will record something more interesting. Prepare. Alright, and let's try this one. All right, so we're done with recording. All right, now let me switch to the top deck because it's two head deck, so we need to rewind, and I will use remote, and this remote works with both decks. Lower deck here, I believe it just was working. I'm not sure what happened. And let's listen how it records.
For when I wanted you, I was so lonely and so blue. Well, that's what love will do. And darling,
It has search by pauses, you see. Let's search for the next one. Okay, I believe this would be enough. So you might hear that this deck records really good for 2L deck. Surprise, surprise, right? This deck is a reference deck, and this one is a son of the reference deck. Still sounds really cool, and I was enjoying restoring it because it's very convenient to service. Everything sold well, and I was surprised at how well made tape transports on this deck. They are very simple, don't get me wrong, but the way how they build makes them super easy to service, and they have large capstans and heavy, so they work pretty well. All right, so that would be it for tonight. Let me know your thoughts, what you like, what you don't like, what you like to see in my next videos, and I will try to accommodate as much as I can. Hope you enjoyed today's session, so have a happy Sunday and see you in my next videos. Don't forget to set like under my video. Bye bye.